Hi, Coach Tony here. In today's video, we're going to talk about manifestation. I actually became a certified manifestation coach through Scott Haug, who trained with Bob Proctor. And I got certified a couple of years ago. And a lot of people have a misconception about what manifestation is. And I want to clarify that on this video for you here today and give you some really awesome, easy tips on how to manifest way more effectively in your life. The fact of the matter is, we are always manifesting 24/7, 365 all day long. We are manifesting, whether you realize it or not. So the idea of manifesting is more deliberate manifesting. Like, can I control my manifestations? That's really what people mean when we're talking about manifestation, is they want to be able to control what is manifesting in their life. And I'm going to teach you how to do that really effectively today. So the idea is we are constantly, always manifesting. You can't not manifest, actually. But what is manifesting, right? It's your thoughts and your feelings, how you feel. There's an electromagnetic frequency you're emitting all the time. Literal electrical neurons are firing in your brain. Magnetic impulses are firing based off of how you feel. Between the two, there's an electromagnetic frequency you're emitting. So the idea is all day long, you're manifesting based off of whatever you're thinking and however you're feeling. And then obviously those lead to you taking action, and that actually leads you to manifesting and or creating whatever it is you're creating. And it creates your reality, basically, right? So the idea is that, and now the question is, what are you thinking and how do you feel about the thing that you want to manifest? So let's just say you want to manifest more money. And let's just say you want to manifest like $10,000. Okay, let's just pick it could be any number for you. Okay, you want to manifest $10,000. Well, how do you feel about $10,000 right now? About your ability to make it, about your ability to have it and keep it. How do you feel about $10,000 right now? What are your thoughts about it? Is it a lot of money or is it not that much money? Does it seem easy to do? You're going to reveal why you haven't manifested it yet based off of your thoughts and feelings about it. So I've got a little hack that you can do right away that will help you uncover this as quickly as possible for yourself. Okay. So imagine you're going to sit down to a meeting and the thing that you want to manifest, like in this case, it's $10,000. You imagine and personify it that you're going to sit down next to it. Okay. And again, this works with anything or anyone. And the idea is you're going to have a meeting with that person. So they're going to sit down in a chair next to you. And you close your eyes to do this. And you just imagine you're having a meeting with $10,000. Okay. And you imagine you're meeting and sitting down with it. How do you feel about it? What are your thoughts about it? Do you feel uncomfortable sitting down with that thing? Right? What does it feel? We want to uncover your thoughts and feelings as you are with it. Okay. And imagine we can even skip ahead, right? Imagine you already made the $10,000. How would you feel? How would that make you feel? Right? What's the difference between how you'd feel with it and how you feel without it? Here's what's actually keeping most people stuck is their true dominant feelings are the lack thereof what it is that they desire. So in other words, they're not on the same frequency, which in other words, they cannot attract it in because it's on the wrong channel. You're on the wrong frequency. Right? I hope this makes sense. If you've done any studying of the law of attraction and manifesting, hopefully this makes sense to you. But the idea is you've got to be on the frequency of it. You've got to accept it. You have to be on par with it. You've got to be best friends with it. If you're going to have it in your life, you've got to accept it and feel good about it. If you feel like you're less than, you're not worthy of it, and you lack it, right? We've got to uncover those thoughts before you can actually get it. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And we go very deep into this idea with my coaching and all sorts of stuff. But I'm going to be recording a lot more videos about this and about lots of other things that'll help you really evolve your mind first, and then your body, and then your life, quite honestly. And so that you can start living the life of your dreams. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. And if it was, let me know. Just drop some likes and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm really going to be focusing more on my YouTube channel here. And I really want to help serve you to the next level. Okay. And I will respond to every comment that you guys put on there. And I appreciate you, even just for watching. I appreciate that. I really do hope this helps you understand manifesting a little bit better. And it's really understanding that you're always manifesting. You can't shut it off, actually. So the question is, you've got to understand your thoughts and feelings about the thing you want to manifest. And you got to clean that up, actually. Okay. And that's actually what I help people do. I help people really orient their mindset properly to achieve anything in their life, quite honestly. Losing lots of weight, making lots of money, getting your dream relationships, healing your past, whatever that is. Once you orient your mind in the right direction, you are smooth sailing from there. So with that, you guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And if you like this video or you want to see more of this type of video, just let me know in the comments. Okay. And I'll see you soon.